In today's video, we are not only doing maintenance on the outside, but inside as well. Been a really beautiful journey, and I couldn't be happier. How do you know when you have the peace of God instead of the peace of the world? It's simple. When it surpasses all of your understanding. Because what you're viewing as a setback is actually a setup for Him to get the glory. I'd like to share with you all my haul from the beauty supply store because I wanted a new look and I had to grab a couple of essential things. So we got this stocking wig cap here. I couldn't find a dark brown and I was kind of like in a rush, just smidge, because what I'm about to do with my hair, this wash day is a day. It's a day, it's a task. I'm trying to get started on this as soon as I possibly can. Just add an extra layer of security as I wear these wigs, because this one got to go. Straight hair is nice when it lay nice, but the maintenance, especially for synthetic, do you see the matteness? I've been having to do this and put it through the blow dryer just to maintain the ends. And so I'm tired of that and I want something simple. Also find some glosses, one of which is a NYX dupe. This is Blind Date. I tried to get the color closest to ginger brown, ginger snap, sorry. It's nice. It smells different. Does it smell exactly like NYX's Butter Gloss? And the name is kind of close. Butter Bomb Gloss, B-O-M-B. That's literally the name. 0.26 ounces. One's taller than the other. This has less product. Shows you about packaging and sometimes how, what's the word for it? What it looks like may not actually be what it is. Work Gel Strong Polish. French White. I'm not sure whether or not, because I checked the display to see if it requires a nail lamp. That's initially what I was looking for. This smells like regular gel polish, so we'll see what we'll do. I was looking for a pink glittery gloss, and I'm actually wearing that. Looks like it's blue based. It doesn't have gold flakes in it. It's pink. It's glittery. It's glossy. Then we have braiding hair. Say goodbye to this hairstyle one last time. Even with my hair tangling. When you make a decision to have a peace of mind in the weight of whatever you're trusting God for, it is imperative for you to take that time out to take care of yourself. What am I getting at? Taking care of your temple. Having those experiences that add to the depth of who you are and who He made you to be. And then in those days that you position yourself in the way that what you're trusting God for, it never hurts to add in some self-care and, of course, get some sun. I didn't expect they were going to have an event here, but I think they're having the farmers market. And the sun is out. Got a smidge bit of makeup, but it's funny how God works. Because it's real nice out here. Perfect amount of sun, perfect amount of wind. You see what we're able to capture. It's amazing. The day before Easter. Very. I almost thought the lettering was embroidered, but I had to get closer. It's how they painted things. Right. Man, that's nice.
Yeah, 2150.
This don't feel moisturizing at all. It don't. By the prescriptions, I'm talking to you. Finally, the time has come for a fresh set of nails. I normally do like the plain nude aesthetic, but I wanted some glitter this time. It's spring. Psalm 119, 105. Thy word is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. You know, the interesting thing about events in which we feel our setbacks is actually a great time to allow us to rest. And I'm reminded of Proverbs 6, verse 31 that says, "If he be found, he shall restore sevenfold. He shall give all the substance of his house. 7 times we are owed and will be paid back."